So the athletes settling behind their blocks from the inside. Walton, Great Britain, Garcia, Cuba, Bra Pedersen, United States, Jinqui of South Africa, Liston of Jamaica, Jamison of the United States, Emana Ulidu of Greece, and Reid of Jamaica on the outside. Jamison there, another huge improver in 2022. She's improved by 0.7 of a second. More than 5 meters that represents on the track. The final of the women's 200 meters is underway, and Liston is already up, and she's got Jamison in her sights, and she's now moved on to the American shoulder. So it's Liston who has the lead. She comes into the straight. She's running away from this field. Jamison starting to try and get back to her, but Liston is away, and it is going to be another goal for Jamaica. Fine run from Jamison, who came through for the silver medal, and Alana Reid came through for the bronze. So it's not a 1-2 for Jamaica, but Brianna Liston has come splashing through the rain in
wet track. But just because they had to delay their final for 1 hour, it's very difficult when you've already warmed up. They'd already gone into their blocks, they'd set them up, they were just going back outside, and they were ready to be introduced to the crowd. So it'll be really interesting. I'm sure they'll tell these tales for years to come. My first global medal, well, guess what conditions I won it under. You've got to be adaptable. And all of these women showed that they've got all the skills that it... Well, here we go again. Liston, she had a blistering start right on Jamison, right from the very beginning. Look at Reid there in that outside lane. Bri Pedersen did incredibly well in lane 3, and there she was in the bronze medal position, working really, really hard. A huge upgrade from the 7th that she had in the 100 meters. She just ran out of steam towards the end, and it was Reid who could come on the outside to pick up that bronze medal. A look at Liston's start there. The first 50 meters, well, they really were.
Part of the world record team last night. Sensational third leg. Took the baton well and passed it well on the anchor leg as well.
She goes in lane number 6. In lane 5 from Guyana, Kaliza Smith, 4th in the 100 meters. Personal best there, 24.08 her best at 200. Lane 4, surprise 400 champion, ran a blistering 52.32 to strike gold.
Peaking perfectly for the CARIFTA Games.
23.59 at 200. In lane number 3, the 100 bronze medalist Shaniqua Bascom of Trinidad and Tobago.
Beat Liston to win the under 17 200 title 3 years ago.
23.36 on that day, still her personal best. She's in 3, the Trinidadian. In lane 2, from the British Virgin Islands, Kenyatta Great, 24.91 in qualifying, second slowest to this final. Needs a massive run to have a shot at a medal. And on the inside, the second Trinidadian in the lineup, Kayla Fortune, slowest qualifier at 25.08.
Kayla Kelly in lane 4 had a personal best of 1 second faster in her 400 victory last night. Could this be another day for another PR?
Meet record 22.77, Jamaican junior record 22.50, both on the chopping block right now.
Brianna Liston in lane number 6.
Set.
Up they go. Brianna Liston responds to the gun well. Already closes down on Archer of the Bahamas and Bob of Bermuda. The Jamaican runs a super curve. Smith of Guyana running well, as is Bascom of Trinidad and Tobago. But they are well back as Brianna Liston pours it on down the stretch. Liston to the line. Outside 23 seconds, 23.17.
Brianna Liston delivered an outstanding performance in the women's 200-meter final, affirming her dominance at both the 2024 CARIFTA Games and the U20 World Championships. The young Jamaican sprinter continues to demonstrate that she is among the most exciting rising talents in the event. In the U20 World Championships final, Liston started in lane 6 and immediately gained ground on the field. She swiftly passed Jamison of the USA and surged down the homestretch with authority. Finishing in 22.55 seconds, she clinched the gold medal. Jamison took silver with 22.77 seconds, and Alana Reid secured bronze with 22.95. Bari finished fourth in 23.6 seconds. This race highlighted Liston's clear dominance over the 200 meters. Her run was not just a display of speed but of exceptional execution. Her explosive first 50 meters gave her a decisive edge. Analysts compared her running mechanics to Shericka Jackson's, particularly her consistent rhythm and upright form throughout the race. With commanding control and smooth execution, Liston dismantled the competition, displaying both top-tier conditioning and race strategy. Her ability to explode out of the curve and maintain her momentum in the final stretch illustrates her all-around sprinting capabilities. The final, notably, took place under suboptimal conditions. A sudden delay interrupted the athletes' warm-up routines, requiring them to reset and recalibrate. This unexpected disruption could have affected focus and energy levels. However, Liston's composure was remarkable. She remained mentally locked in, a critical trait for high-level sprinters, executed her race plan, and handled the situation with calm professionalism. Her ability to adapt under pressure added further weight to her reputation as a future elite performer. Liston's victories at the CARIFTA Games and the World U20 Championships solidify her status as one of track and field's brightest young stars. If her development continues at this pace, she is poised to become a global contender in the 200 meters. Additionally, Liston played a crucial role in Jamaica's record-setting 4x100-meter relay team, running the third leg. Her smooth baton exchange and sprinting efficiency were vital to the team's dominant win. Overall, Liston's efforts at these premier events showcased her exceptional potential. She is already competing with the composure and strength of a seasoned pro. Provided she remains healthy and continues her upward trajectory, her future in elite sprinting looks incredibly bright. Beyond her individual brilliance, Liston's contribution to team events demonstrates her versatility and commitment. Her performance in relays, especially her clean baton exchanges and ability to maintain top speed under pressure, speaks volumes about her value in both solo and group competitions. These qualities make her an invaluable asset for Jamaica's future sprinting success.